Continuing on, CNC Group Break number 4272. We're on to the 13-14 Upper Deck Ultimate and 14-15 SP Game Used. Alright, base card number to 499 for the Vancouver Canucks, Henrik Sedin. Rookie number to 499 for the Calgary Flames, Reto Berra. I will paste them over right after this box. We've got a rookie autograph number to 299 for the New York Rangers, Jesper Fast. And we've got an autographed Threads number 23 of 25 for the Dallas Stars, Tyler Seguin. 23 of 25 for the Stars, Tyler Seguin. Alright, now before I start this game use, just going to copy these over to the Threads, since Ashley didn't. She must be new. Alright, Espagem host. Alright, we've got a Stadium Series jersey for the Anaheim Ducks, Nick Bonino. We've got a rookie autograph for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Greg McKegg. Tap the McKegg. Greg McKegg for the Leafs. Ooh, John says he needs it, by the way, whoever has Toronto. We've got an inked rookie sweaters, number to 149 for the Edmonton Oilers, Laurent Brossoit. Laurent Brossoit to 149 for the Oilers. We've got a rookie card, numbered 4 of 56 for the New York Islanders, John Pearson. Rookie card number to 56 for the Islanders, and oh, neat. We've got a Stadium Series Materials game used puck for the New York Rangers, Derek Stepan. I think that's only the third one of these we've pulled. Derek Stepan, Stadium Series Materials, game used puck for the Rangers. All right, coming up next, Dominion and Prime.